Look what my cat chicken this Bakupo. She's chicken. It's her his first time to stay inside and look around. She's wondering because he's not always go out, so look at that. Our baby is there. Hi! Hi! What's going on? Where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Where are you going? So the Bakupo is really clean, guys. Because Sahira is the one cleaning this one every time come back from trip. Hi. So my puppy, my Pochi. I don't know the other one. Look at what she's checking. What is that? What's that? Sit down, my love. Don't run there. There's a bird. He heard what you call that, a bird. And she want to run.